Geography is an integrative, empirical field of study. It uses maps and capitals as data points to examine every event occurring on Earth across both space and time. Human geography specifically analyzes the interaction between human societies and the Earth's surface. It measures what happens when physical elements, like land and climate, meet cultural elements, like transportation networks and settlements. To organize this data, researchers use two primary methods. A systematic approach tracks one specific topic, like population, across the entire planet. A regional approach isolates a single area to study how every local factor, from soil to communication networks, works together. This makes geography an active study of a relationship that is constantly being reshaped as societies develop. At the center of the discipline is a debate over agency. Does the environment dictate how a society develops, or do humans have the power to shape the environment? The balance of this relationship has shifted over centuries as technological development provided humans with increasing leverage over their surroundings. We can track this shifting power dynamic through three distinct stages of geographic thinking. The oldest of these ideas is environmental determinism. It suggests that the physical environment, the climate, the terrain, and the rivers, is the primary factor in how a society develops. Early societies had little choice but to live as nature allowed. Humans built shelters dictated by the local temperature and settled as farmers only where the rivers permitted irrigation. During early colonial exploration, humans were at the mercy of harsh terrain. Travelers depended entirely on the natural conditions of the land they crossed. Survival during this period was a matter of obeying nature's rules. As technology advanced, humans gained power over their surroundings, leading to a school of thought called possibilism. Under possibilism, nature no longer dictates the rules, it merely offers possibilities. Humans decide which of those possibilities to exploit and how to use them. This shift began early, as an understanding of friction and heat allowed for the discovery of fire, breaking the environment's control over temperature. Centuries later, unraveling biological codes like DNA gave humans the ability to actively eradicate diseases rather than simply enduring them. By mastering the laws of thermodynamics, engineers developed aircraft capable of crossing vast physical distances at high speeds. This technological boom created a cultural landscape built directly over the natural one. It led to a period of thinking where humans felt they had achieved total control over the Earth. Griffith Taylor proposed a middle path, neo-determinism. It rejects both total submission to nature and complete freedom from it. He called this stop-and-go determinism. We can choose how we develop, but at nature's boundaries, development must pause or adapt. In this modern view, nature sets the rules of the board, while humans choose how to play the game within those boundaries. To manage this balance, the study of geography changed focus throughout the 20th century, moving beyond simple descriptions of land. During the colonial era, geography served as a tool for imperialism and trade. Maps like this one were used to document and claim new lands for resource extraction. By the 1970s, the field shifted towards socio-political realities. This led to the creation of specialized schools, the welfare, radical, and behavioral schools, to study how people experience and perceive space. Solving problems like poverty and spatial inequality required geographers to look past raw exploration and use more specialized analytical lenses. Because human geography must account for both natural laws and complex social behaviors, it relies on an extensive network of subfields. Geography acts as a bridge, borrowing data from disciplines like psychology to study behavioral geography, or economics to study distribution of resources and trade. This interdisciplinary reach provides the specific insights needed to pursue sustainable development, growing without destroying the environment that supports us. Geography proves that progress requires an integrative approach. We must use every tool in our collective knowledge to thrive